One of the best ways to promote affiliate links is by taking advantage of free traffic. So basically, you'll be using the tricks and strategies I'll be showing you. In this video, you're going to discover 5 ways you can promote your affiliate links. My name is Charles and I help people and businesses grow. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button, like this video so you can see more helpful videos like this. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is where you promote a product and get paid a commission whenever someone buys that product. So you're given a link that you get to promote, and there are some affiliate products that pay you recurring commission. So this type of affiliate program is usually a subscription-based product where the customer gets to subscribe for monthly or yearly plan, and you get paid every time the person subscribes. So you keep earning commission until the customer stops using that product. Now, there are different strategies to promote your affiliate link, but you need to understand these free traffic secrets before promoting any product. First, you need to bear this in mind. When generating free traffic, you need to understand who you are targeting. Now, there are people that have heard about the product you're promoting and know what the product can do, but haven't purchased that product. And there are people that may have or may not have heard about the product, but they don't really understand what it can do and how it can help them solve that problem that they have. So on this hand, these people have a problem, they know the solution, but they haven't purchased. While on this other hand, these people have a problem, but don't know the solution. The best people to target with free traffic are the people that have a problem and don't know the solution, because if you provide the solution to them, they will value it and thank you for taking them a step closer to solving that problem. So it will be easy for you to recommend a product to them and they buy it. You have solved a problem. You have taken them one step closer to solving that problem. So they are going to see you as the hero, and they may likely listen to you if you recommend a product to them. So now we know this, ask yourself, what type of questions are these people asking? For example, we are promoting this product, Jasper AI. Now, Jasper AI is a powerful AI art creator as well as a content creator. So you can save time writing blog articles and social media posts by using this tool. It generates full article with images, and their posts cannot be detected by AI content detector. So let's say we sign up for this affiliate program. We can see here that they pay 30% recurring commission for life. So they pay every month till all the people you referred unsubscribe. And we know that it's not going to happen. So the payment is for life. There is no way that everyone you referred is going to unsubscribe and stop using their product or service. It's not going to happen. So the payment is for life. Now, how can we promote Jasper AI? How are we going to promote this product? The first way to promote this affiliate product is to answer questions that their target audience is asking. Jasper's target audience is asking on Quora. So we can go to Quora and search for Jasper, but there is a better way to do it. Go to Quora, search for, can AI content detector detect ChatGPT blog post? Now, here we can see other related questions asked by people. Let's click on this question. Can Tunitin detect AI or ChatGPT plagiarism? If you scroll down, you can see a reply and other related questions, but there is no product recommendation or proper solution. That's a good sign. The next step is to go to ChatGPT to generate an article that answers that question. We can say, act like an expert in article writing. Write an article outline for this. Can Tunitin detect AI or ChatGPT plagiarism? How to avoid plagiarism with Jasper AI. You can see here that it is generating an outline. This prompt I gave answers the question and tells them how to avoid plagiarism with Jasper AI, which is what we want so that they can get started with Jasper. Now, we have the outline. We can tell ChatGPT to act like an expert copywriter, write an article on the outline. Boom! And we have our article. I recommend making this article longer, but for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to use this. We are going to take this article, go back to Quora, and answer that question. So click here which says answer, paste the article. Now we're going to add a hyperlink to this article. I recommend adding one hyperlink since we are promoting one product, we are recommending one product. And on Quora, you don't just put a bunch of links on your answers. Your answer might just be taken down. Your post might be taken down if you do that. So we are going to add our affiliate link here. We're going to copy it, and where it says introduction to Jasper, click here, highlight the text, click here, then copy the affiliate link, and then paste the affiliate link and click on add. Once it's added, you can make the text bold and then post the article. Boom, you're set. So you can do this for other questions, not just one question. The next way is Medium. Now, you can post articles on Medium. Medium has a huge traffic. You can see articles here. Let's search for Jasper AI. You can see other articles about Jasper AI. So you can use the same strategy we use for Quora on Medium. Click on right at the top right of your screen and then post an article that answers a question. Remember, your article needs to answer a question. You need to solve a problem. But here in Medium, you need to add images so that your article will be engaging. You can check other articles around what you want to talk about before creating any post. You need to know what is working and then model it. I'm going to show you a secret about creating articles, so just keep watching. The next way to promote your affiliate link is through email marketing. Now, email marketing is still the oldest form of promoting affiliate links. An average rate of conversion for email marketing is around 10 to 20%. If you're not taking emails of your customers or your prospects, then you're losing out big time. Email marketing is a great way to build and nurture your audience. Now, if you come here to MailChimp, MailChimp is an email marketing platform. Let's click on pricing. You can see their pricing is 500 contacts for the free version and has a monthly send of 1,000. But let's go to GetResponse. Now, GetResponse is another email marketing platform, which is what I use. You can see here that their free trial for 500 contacts has 2,500 monthly sends for newsletter. So if you compare both prices, you'll see that GetResponse has a better deal. I've been using GetResponse and I've not had any issue with it. I've not had any problem. You can get started with them and start building your email list. The next one is video content. You can promote affiliate products by educating people about the product or creating fun videos about the product. Creating a video that answers questions about the product is a great way to give value while building an audience. So you can create TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, or YouTube videos answering questions around that product. Remember, giving value, giving a solution, or solving a problem is an easy way to get your prospect to like you. Now, the next one is blogging, which is one of the best ways to promote affiliate products. We are going to create a blog post that answers questions around Jasper AI. So what problem does it solve? What does it do? To get an idea, let's go to Google and search for Jasper AI. See these questions here. They can increase your Google ranking. When you create a blog post that answers questions people are searching for, it's going to optimize your post for search engines like Google. I'm going to show you how to use this trick later in this video. So here, you can see Google results. These are all blog posts. This is a blog post. This is a blog post. This, and I think all of them promote affiliate products. So let's check this one out. If you look here, you'll notice a trend. You can see this is an affiliate link. Let's scroll down. You can see this is also an affiliate link. They are promoting Copy AI. Now, let's check another blog post. You can see they are promoting Jasper AI here. It's an affiliate link. You can see this is a great way to promote affiliate products. Blogging is a great way to promote several affiliate products. Now, let me show you an interesting part. How to create an SEO optimized blog post with AI. Go to this website, keywordcheater.com. Enter your keyword, click on Start Sheeting. Now, it's going to keep spitting out keywords and it's not going to stop. So I'm going to stop this now. And then I'm going to copy these keywords and head over to ChatGPT. I'm going to say, write a blog outline, use these keywords, paste the keywords here. And then I'm going to say, answer this question, and then let's go to Google. We're going to copy these questions, copy the questions people are asking, and then let's go back. We're going to paste the questions here and press enter. Now you can see that it's generating a blog post outline, answering the questions and using the keywords that I gave to it. Now we are going to ask it to act as a pro copywriter, write an article in basic conversational language. Boom! It's writing the article. I didn't give it any title, but then it just gave us a title. And that is how you generate a blog post that ranks on the first page with ChatGPT. Now, let me show you another trick. Copy your affiliate link. Let's copy this affiliate link. And then tell ChatGPT, add this link as hyperlink to strategic places where Jasper is mentioned in the article. And then we paste our affiliate link. It's adding the hyperlink to the article. It added it to strategic places that would get clicks. And this is mind-blowing. All you have to do is just to copy the blog post and use it. We can click on one of the hyperlink and you can see that it's working. I'm going to leave some helpful links in the description. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, like this video to see more videos like this. And if you have any questions or tips, just leave a comment in the comment section and I'll see you in this video.